Namaste children. Now let me start 10th question. So let me read the question. Show that A1, A2, AN forms an AP where AN is defined as below. So this is a question. There are two sub questions in this. This is first sub question. AN equals to 3 plus 4N. This is a general form of AN. He is asking also find the sum of 15 terms. I should show that if I take A1, A2 from this, I should show that this forms an AP. So to show that any series forms an AP, what we did in the previous classes, we have to show that its common difference is same. So now let me start. Let me start at least 3 to 4 terms. To find common difference, at least I need 2 to 3, 4 terms at least to check. So n, in place of n you put 1, you will get first term. A1 equals to 3 plus 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7. Next A2, 3 plus 4 into 2. You have to use your BODMAS rules children. 3 plus 4 don't do because BODMAS tells you have to do first multiplication. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 that is 11. A3 is 3 plus 4 into 3 that is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 18. Sorry 15. And A4 is 3 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 that is 19. So I got 4 terms I took. Not required to do more terms. Enough 4 terms. 7, 11, 15 and 19 I got. Now let me check whether common difference is same or not in these 4 terms. So 11 minus 7 is what? 4. 15 minus 11, 4. 19 minus 15, 4. So you can observe common difference is same everywhere. Therefore, I can conclude 7, 11, 15, 19 which I got from this general form forms an AP. And he is asking find the sum of 15 terms. So that is S15. N by 2 that is 15 by 2 into 2A. A is 7 plus 2A plus n minus 1 into d. N is 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 4. 56 plus 14 that is 70. 15 into 70 by 2. 235 are. So 15 into 35 is 525. So sum of 15 terms is 525. So in this question only we have one more sub question. Same question is same but this nth term is different. An equals to 9 minus 5n. So same as it is as I did in the first sub question. So A1 is 9 minus 5 into 1 that is 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. A2 is 9 minus 5 into 2 that is 5 2s are 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. A3 is 9 minus 5 into 3 that is 15. 9 minus 15 is minus 6 and A4 I got minus 11. So again we check whether it forms an AP or not because he is asking show that it forms AP. So second term is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 5. Minus 6 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 that is again minus 5. Minus 11 minus of minus 6 plus 6 that is minus 11 plus 6 is minus 5. So what is the common difference we got everywhere? Minus 5. So I can conclude that 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 forms an AP because common difference is minus 5 everywhere. So sum of 15 terms he asked to find. So 15, n is 15 that is divided by 2 as formula. 2a, a is 4 plus n minus 1 that is 14. 15 minus 1 is 14 into minus 5. Plus into minus minus 14 into 5 70. 8 minus 70 is minus 62. Cancel we get 15 into minus 31. So we got sum of 15 terms is minus 465. So in this session I completed till question 10. So here there are few extra questions which I have given. So one or two are little difficult. So let me discuss that questions little. If the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 that is sum of first 14 that is S14 has given 1050 and its first term is that is A10. Find the 20th term. I said already it is a cardinal number so I have to find A20. Answer I have given in the bracket. So you can solve and check. Second, how many terms of AP? this must be taken so that their sum is 78. Means what? Sn is 78. So I should find n value here. So expand Sn formula. You can find from this a and common difference, substitute and find n value. So here I got n both answers, children. You get a quadratic equation, you get both positive. I said already number of terms should be positive, but here I'll get both positive. So you can get a doubt whether is it one is correct, any one is correct, or both are correct. In this both are correct. How it is possible? Like sum of n terms is 4 and sum of 13 terms is also 78. How it is possible? This is possible because you can see that your series is decreasing. Some extent you get negative numbers. So that negative numbers and positive numbers get cancelled. So in this case we are getting 2n values. And sum of first 1000 positive integers. Positive integer starts from 1. So 1 to 1000. A is 1, common difference is 1. And here an is 1000. So you can find sum of 1000 positive means that is n is 1000. So use Sn formula, that is S1000, will get this number. Next, find the sum of first n positive integers. This is like formula, children. N positive integers means first term is a, common difference is, that is a is 1, common difference is also 1. Substitute in Sn formula a as 1 and common difference as 1, you will get this. So this above third question you can find using this formula. This is like formula. You can remember this formula you can use only to find sum of natural numbers. Remember that, or sum of positive integers. Here you can see 1000 positive integers. So in place of n, if you put 1000, 1000 into 1000 plus 1, that is 1001 divided by 2. If you cancel, you will get the same number. These two almost, this is a formula for this question, or else you can do using the formula, the first formula. I hope everyone understood till question number 10. So in the next session, I'll come with a few more statement questions. They are very interesting, children. Thank you.